Dije, tonto.
Wow.
Oye, ¿ves? Ahora quizá lo arruinaste todo.
¿Por qué?
Porque si trató de morderte, eso es bien malo.
No, no importa ya, mira.
Wow, es rápida. Más rápido soy yo. Sí, vela, cabrona.
Sí, por supuesto que la ve, para eso son los ojos.
No te pongas tan cerca.
Que no.
¿Y lo vas a poner en el internet?
Ajá. Para que lo vean.
No puedes dejar la cámara ahí puesta sola grabando.
Así, pero como tiene una...
Inclínalo un poquito. Inclínalo un poquito. Ahí vas a estar moviéndose. Pones algo fijo. Toma este zapato.
No importa, no importa.
Toma.
No, ahí está bien.
No lo veis. Adentro. El zapato. Adentro. Ahí. Ya lo soltó, mira.
Es que lo tiene que coger el ángulo, porque si no, no se lo va a poder comer.
Que ella lo busca.
Tienes que coger la cabeza.
Seguro. Me gusta la vista cuando empieza. De todas maneras, luego la grabación.
Guy's an idiot. He just ruined everything, dude.
No, we didn't.
Whatever, dude.
Alright, don't touch my snake ever again then if you're scared of it or something. It doesn't affect it. It doesn't care.
You really tried to bite him, dude.
It didn't. It tried to bite the rat. He had the rat in his hands.
Well, maybe he was trying to bite him, but he was taking away the rat.
Or maybe it was trying to bite the rat because it hadn't grabbed it yet. I think this thing records everything we say. Yep, it does. Tried to call Bean, but he didn't pick up, so screw you, Bean.
Well, did you want to see it?
He already saw it once.
Did he want you to call him?
He didn't tell me to, but I was just gonna do it just to be friendly. But whatever. Doesn't matter anymore. At 5 minutes, should I like stop it and then make a new video? Or what?
Don't show me videos. It's dead rats. I'm not cool.
I wanna have it.
Or we'll stop and make a new video because it's been like an hour already.
It's been 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Stop it and make a new video. I want to see 2 minutes 50 seconds. That's 2 minutes and 50 seconds shorter. Just stop and make a new video now.
But then the other one will be 2 minutes and 50 seconds longer.
Right, whatever.
Alright.
Why would you do that?
What?
Keep playing it. Just pause it and make a new video right now. Just restart it.
Why? Alright. At 3:30, I'll do it.
Why would you do that?
Why not?
Who wants to see? Everybody wants to see. Just get to the point.
Maybe they won't see that then.
Every time you watch it, you know what I'm saying? 2 minutes 50 seconds. Be like,
they'll skip it then.
You can't skip it on the freaking camera, you idiot.
On